Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen really did this on camera and the furnished house. This is the royal family. Let's get into it. What did Queen do now?
You feel me? Like, look, Clarence, he's sweating. Both of y'all sweating.
Did you just fart? It slipped out?
The royal family is the royal family. What's up, royal family? It's your girl, Queen. You already know who I am, but I guess I just turned the camera on because I didn't want y'all to miss this footage, but we wanted you guys to be a part of our, our furnishing journey of the house. And so right now we're turning the downstairs,
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell to become part of the No Squad. Thank you, Petty fam.
room. Ooh, hold on one second, y'all. We're finally getting our bed. This couch was in there, and people were sleeping on this couch when it came. And then we're getting rid of this old couch that we had at the old place. And then we're gonna put that gray one downstairs when we get our new one. So it's kind of chaotic in here, but this is the empty room right now. This is a bed we're gonna be putting in here. It's a full size, perfect for guests to come in and come on in.
Who they gonna be your guests? I wonder if they're gonna have people flocking with them.
I will show y'all the person who is bringing these beds in and made him himself. His name is King Mattress. CJ is getting a new big boy.
Okay, girl. She supports small businesses. I see you, girl. Get back to the community.
Boy bed, and I'm so super excited because he's been in that yellow little bed that extends for the longest that we got from IKEA when we first did the last place. And I'm literally so excited for him to have a big boy bed now. It's a twin bed, but he put CJ's name in it, so y'all gonna see that soon. And we've also been working on the boys' room, which I'm not gonna show y'all right now because I don't know if that could be another video or I don't know. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Let's go say hi to the kids. Let's see what's going on. My kitchen looks crazy right now because we got a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon earlier, and we gotta get rid of all these boxes. You got a new case? From where? From where? What's our place? What's our favorite place? Amazon.
It has standard. It has hand fingers to put around your neck.
Are you excited for your new big boy bed?
Yes.
You are? Cause you didn't sound like it. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Sing it.
Grandma shark. Do do do. Grandma shark.
You done? All right. Say hi. How are you?
Let's go. And do 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 do. Let's go. And do do do. Let's go. And do do do. Let's go.
Anyway, we're turning the boys' room into it was like ABCs, different colors, but you keep interrupting me. We're turning that room into an outer space theme room, galaxy, outer space, whatever, with all the planets, and I'm just so super excited, y'all. I've been wanting to do this for since I moved to this house, but we just finally got started. I guess I can go show y'all a little bit what we did. Well, I'm gonna say what Momo did because she put up the bookshelves. I really just handed it to her.
Good job, Momo. Wow. I mean, that's exciting. Spaceships? Those boys are gonna love that.
Oh, this is King Mattress.
This is I.
If you guys want y'all a new bed, custom made, you know what I'm saying, go to his Instagram, King_.
That is so nice that Queen is uplifting the brother. Thank you, girl.
Or mattress?
Yes.
Yes. I cannot wait to see the outcome. Y'all already know I'm gonna be ordering from Amazon. Here's the thing. But y'all know I love Target, right? Target is like I love Target. But I don't know, like I might have to take a little break on Target because they're not really appreciating me. I shop for them all the time. I shop their store. And I've been wanting a brand deal for the longest, but they haven't even noticed like me. So I might have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond or TJ Maxx or something to get my bedspreads, but we'll see. So y'all, I am gonna
Don't be hating on her.
Tomorrow I had to have a video shoot, so the next day I'm gonna go find me a mattress and box spring. And I will show y'all the finished product. This is a blank room, so remember this room. I'm gonna put pictures up, a cute area rug. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that yellow chair. It looks kind of dirty, but then I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. We never use it. All right, y'all, it's the next day. This old couch that I was saying that we was gonna get out of here, we're finally getting it out. We are giving this couch away to my babysitter. So we're giving this couch away so that the couch, I told y'all, the couch that's in there is gonna go downstairs. And this morning I woke up after I took the kids to school. I finally got.
Okay, that's a nice height for it. That looks nice. He did a great job.
Mattress, you guys, and it's actually nice and comfortable. I'm gonna get some nice pillows. I went to Mattress Firm this morning, you know what I'm saying? And I got it. Let's see. Let me just show y'all how it looked when I just lay on it. I mean, this is for the guests, but you feel me? Like, it's nice and soft, and we even have like a mattress topper to go on top. That's like memory foam that I was using on the pull-out couch. But I think I'm gonna show you guys the process of like getting the guest room together. I'm gonna go to like Bed Bath & Beyond or like Marshall or Target. No.
That's so nice that they settling in now, you know? I mean, it makes me feel more like home. I like that. Good job, y'all.
At Target, because I am... Listen, this is all going to be empty again, y'all. So should y'all take the corner piece and come back and get these, or should you come back and get the corner piece in this long one?
Long piece there now. Yeah. Right? Either way, we'll take that one. Yeah. Right. Either way, we check them out, all of them out, because they all go on this little show.
Look, Clarence, he's sweating. Both of y'all sweating.
Make it my first one.
He be sweating from... He be sweating.
He's lifting stuff. He's working hard. Oh. He's like, I'm in charge of this. I'm gonna help.
From anything, though. We finally doing it, y'all. For the longest, we just, I don't know, was just kind of sitting here not doing anything. I look so different without eyelashes. And I wiped off my mascara. Don't I look crazy, y'all? But crazy cute, period. I can't believe I wore this out. Look, this is my too tired to function shirt, and I wore pajamas. Y'all know I do not care. Actually, no, I didn't plan to wear this out. I went to drop the kids off, and then I was like, let me go to Mattress Firm. So yeah, that's what happened. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at the progress so far with...
Look at the rocket. I like that. That is so nice. Oh, they are loving that. That is so nice. Wonder if this is one of those little sticker things you can put on the wall.
The boys' room. CJ has a big boy bed. We're not done with it yet, y'all. But as you can see, we got some wall stickers, some bookshelves. This bed, this CJ's old bed, we gotta put that in the storage downstairs. We waiting on Legend to get another rug. Hi, Papa Bear.
Guys.
Hi.
Is he kicking you? Don't kick, Mom. Won't be nice.
Guys.
What you want to say about your bed?
It's good.
I love you
And
too.
this is big. I like big beds.
Yes.
That's a big boy bed. Oh my goodness, CJ.
Big. You finally got your... Ooh, I want to take a picture of you in it. Can I take a picture of you in it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to show them?
Look at my dreams, Dad.
Let's see what you drew. Come on, let's get a good look at it.
Almost finished.
You drew this? How did you draw that?
Because I
Oh, it's so cute when kids show you their drawings.
thanks to be an artist.
Oh, here. Give me a high five. Love you.
He's good. Oh.
You?
This one looks like it has six fingers. And this one is a short finger.
Oh, you ready for school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Legend got his little spaceship bed too. Now, Mommy can't give him a big boy bed yet because he will not go to sleep if we don't let him. But look it, he got the spaceship kind too. Oh, I cannot wait. We're taking this down, y'all. We're gonna get a link. Ain't you gonna make a big sign for the kids? For their wall?
Yeah, what do you want? What do you want?
I wanted to say like their names, but like in a dope way.
Oh, like a dog.
Or what if like a cartoon character, both of them, one above their bed?
Alright, so it's early in the morning. I know we both look kind of like, well, you don't.
It's early in the morning. What y'all think they gonna do? Where you think they going?
That crazy.
No, man, I'm super tired.
You just look colorful.
It's not early in the morning, babe.
But I look crazy right now.
It's not early.
It feel early.
Hey, we woke up super early.
Well, we woke up at what? I woke up at 6. I had to go bring the Corvette in to get service, so I had to wake up at 6 to get there by 7. No one was there. I don't even know how that happened. It went from like everything closed to everything being open within like.
Yeah, because I mean, when I called,
Like,
she answered the phone.
I called her, she didn't answer. Right now we're getting Chick-fil-A because we still, right now, damn, it's not early. It's 3 o'clock.
The day I got the bed frames.
Oh, it's like it's a lot of light out there. I wonder how early it is. He's sleepy though. I'm gonna leave him alone.
King mattress, he didn't bring the mattresses because I guess we had a misunderstanding. So the next morning, I literally woke up and went to go get the mattresses. So now I want to go to like a home goods store or something like Bed Bath & Beyond, and I want to get that room, like I want to put the sheets on there and stuff. And I just want to get the house together. What y'all order from Chick-fil-A? Put in the comments below.
What's up? Let me get a nuggets meal.
8 or 12 for you, boss?
I'll take 12.
12?
Yeah.
I like the nuggets. I also like the breakfast. The chicken biscuit. Yeah, that's good. But whatever y'all do, even if you like the other sauces, make sure you get Polynesian. The Polynesian is fire.
All right. In addition to the fries as well?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the drink for you?
Lemonade, please.
With a lemonade?
Yeah.
Anything else I can grab for you, boss?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. My bad.
What?
Can I have a 4-piece tender with sweet and spicy sriracha?
The meal or just the strips for you?
You can just do the strips, and then I'll do a side salad with no tomato and avocado lime ranch.
With no tomato and avocado lime ranch?
Yes, and a buffalo sauce.
And buffalo sauce?
Yep, and a lemonade. We good.
She said just the strips and then she rang up a whole meal. I'm sorry, I gotta get I gotta let you know. Y'all YouTube?
Yeah.
Y'all look familiar.
I don't like Chick-fil-A sauce. It just look like dirty mustard.
Avocado lime ranch.
Avocado lime ranch.
Avocado lime ranch, and make sure they give me those dried, tomatoes or dried pepper, whatever.
Roasted bell peppers. I
Yes,
got you.
yes, those.
You don't even know.
See, I like somebody who know your order before you say it, Because she already said she didn't want tomatoes. So he knew she didn't want tomatoes. He said, oh, you talking about the roasted things there. Okay, I got you, girl. That's customer service.
Good.
I'm gonna read it back to you. Make sure we got everything right for you. 12-count nugget meal.
And he ain't gonna read it back. Yes, sir.
You got a medium fry with that, lemonade, then you want a mac and cheese in addition to that. Then I got your 4-count strip meal, side salad with no tomatoes on that salad. Please put no tomatoes on that salad. Then you got the avocado lime ranch and a lemonade with that.
Yeah, but you got the sauces?
Chick-fil-A sauce, buffalo, and the sweet and spicy sauce.
Okay, I'm about to say, don't forget my sauce. Okay.
You don't got that on for no reason.
One thing at a time, though.
I'm about to say. Yo, we haven't did a cry video in so long. Ooh, my skin is so bad. That's from washing my hands so much. No, I don't want you to see it. Rub it. It's rough.
That's crazy.
It's from washing my hands so
You got
much.
like Rumpelstiltskin.
What is that?
She don't know what Rumpelstiltskin is. Okay, so do y'all know what that is? Okay, so basically, especially for people who ain't old, so I'm gonna break it down. So, I'll just look it up. That's probably better. But basically, it's like, never mind, y'all look it up. I want to see what he gonna tell her. Hold on.
The Rumpelstiltskin. You never read the...
What?
I'm gonna wait for Claire to say it.
Babe, I wash my hands a lot, babe. That's not from... I told you gotta get some cream for that. That's...
I have it. It's right here. It's hand cream, but I barely put it on.
That's over the counter, though. You need to go to the dermatologist.
No, but it only happens when I wash.
Self-care, sis. But she right, though. She probably using, like, hand sanitizer and washing her hands and stuff. And she wash them a lot. And it's hot out there and it's dry. So I got you, sis. That's it. It won't hurt going to a dermatologist, but really it's just you need some more lotion and stuff. That's all.
My hands.
Did you just fart? Like,
Ew. It was loud. It sounded like a trumpet. You see his face? I wonder if he smells it yet. Oh my gosh. Queen, do y'all got the sunroof open? That was loud. I can't believe she did that on camera either, boy.
it slipped out? Like, is that like...
I mean, do you own it? It's just you two in the car. I guess you gotta own it.
You're 25.
His eyes watering. I think he love her for real, because anybody else would have made fun of her.
You're 25. You shouldn't be, like, your fart shouldn't be slipping out. Like... Especially while niggas eating.
Oh no!
Down the window or something.
No, it's not gonna stink. No, please.
How you know, Queen? It ain't gonna stink. It wanted to get out. Bruh trying to eat and stuff. Y'all just got out the drive-thru. It ain't even like she had a chance for the sriracha to kick in. Oh my.
A bee is gonna come. If you write on the window, a bee gonna come. It don't stink. It just really slipped out like I was talking. It's like,
Yeah, I heard. I thought it was the seat. I was gonna let you live.
I should have lied. I don't know.
The leather seats. Sheesh.
Move on from that, like, and just talk.
Hey, we're gonna have to. You gotta have to let that one. Might want to get that checked out, though.
Yeah, what checked out?
How far? First one just slip out.
Babe, don't do that. Just my booty hole big.
Oh gosh. He can't breathe now. You ain't got Claire. Claire can't breathe. Watch him.
Yeah, you gotta. You evidently have a wider booty hole than I do.
Of course.
I don't know, Claire. Your butt done pretty big, but we gonna get off of that.
Oh.
Alright, now you're going crazy.
Wait,
now you're going.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Now this is not even a mukbang. This. You trying to get this posted?
No, really not.
XNXX.
It wasn't supposed to go that way, y'all. I was gonna tell you guys something. Then I just farted. I'm sorry. Anyway, I have hand cream. So.
You gotta get that checked out too.
Wait, no, it'll go away in 2 days. Y'all wanna know what?
How do you know it'll go away in 2 days?
Cause it's come back.
Every 2 days. And you think that's normal?
No, I'm saying it
You gotta
comes
get that
back.
checked out.
When I wash my hands a lot,
The
I get
doctor's
dry
gonna
right
give
here.
you cream that's gonna take it away.
Babe,
Not
but when I wash my hands, it's gonna come back.
And actually, you do gotta wash it off though every now and then. Even if you got cream, it's still gonna still have it for a minute. I don't know if you can get rid of it. She might need an antibiotic or something if it's really that serious. But I think it's just dry skin because she washed her hands like she said. Why are you looking at me like that? What'd I do? Y'all Betty fan?
You should wash with gloves.
My hands never did this, ever. Is it because I'm getting old? No, it can't be.
You should get dishwashing gloves.
You can't get the dishwasher, huh?
She got pan hand, dishwasher pan hands.
Oh, you just put in a thing. I thought you would start using the
This is how you can tell this is real chicken. Because the strings. What?
Well, I want to know that there's strings. Like, please, let's chill.
Oh, right. Everything's so funny right now. I'm tired. I'm just saying Chick-fil-A got, like, the best chicken. And I used to sleep on it. And you could just tell it's real. That's all. That's what I'm saying.
I remember when I couldn't even have Chick-fil-A.
Why?
I lived in New York.
They have a Chick-fil-A in New York.
Only one. And it's downtown.
Y'all deprived? Hopefully it's more, y'all. Y'all let us know if you New York fan. Hopefully Chick-fil-A and expanded a little bit.
And the line be around the corner.
New Yorkers love Chick-fil-A.
No, love it. It's just, everybody loves it. Look, there's a line here.
You know what I miss? White Castle.
All right. She ain't said no but a word. I'm with you, sis. Okay, I see you, Detroit. All right, sis. Yes, ma'am. That White Castle be hitting y'all. Y'all don't know. It's cheap too. Y'all go check it out.
I love White Castle. They have one in New York. They got one in Detroit.
White Castle is good. It's not that good though. Like to
I love White Castle. It's what you crave.
Like not to love it though.
White Castle is what you crave. That's their slogan.
But you love it though. It's tough.
Heck yeah. They mozzarella sticks, onion
Someone
rings.
tried to compare White Castle to Crystals, and I was about to say, I was like, yo, you tripping?
No, I haven't. Have we had Crystals?
I've had.
I passed it by because it just it don't.
They White Castle.
It don't look appeasing. We're tired, so we're probably not gonna go to the place I want to go. I'm probably gonna go by myself because he don't like being in the store with me when it comes to shopping for household.
So nice. He offered me a waffle fry. I like that. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, bro. Petty fam. Thank you. Thank you, Petty fam. That's all I wanted. I just wanted a fry. I mean, y'all mukbanging. We can't have none.
Items. Moral of the story is we get in the house together. Finally, it's been how long since we've been living in the house?
Couple months.
Not a couple. It's been like April, May.
6 months.
Yeah, we probably been here half a year. Y'all know at the last house, an interior designer came at the last minute. I hired one, and we decided we wasn't gonna do it for this place. What's wrong? It's good. Oh. We decided we wasn't gonna do it this place because we kind of want to put our own touches on the house. So we have our own ideas. Like we have a whole little idea now. I'm excited. We're getting a new couch soon. But yeah, I was just showing you guys that we are getting a house together, and that's about it. These are so good. You ever had a chicken tenders?
I mean,
Babe, chicken tenders, not that.
chicken tenders and chicken nuggets are the same
No, it's
thing.
not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. That's why I got chicken tenders, because I used to get nuggets.
Well, I'll trade you 2 for 1. 2 nuggets for 1 strip.
Is that equivalent?
Yeah, look. They're chunky. Look at that.
Queen, like, don't be cheating me. I need to have the same time, same amount. I need 3 nuggets for 1 strip.
I'm just kidding here. Yeah.
It's a good trade.
Go ahead. It's tasty.
It's the same thing, what? There's way more normal. There's way more meat. So it's how you want it. If you like a lot of meat.
I like that one better. This meat tastes different. It's a different flavor. That means that must be another part of the chicken. I'm sorry.
Queen is solved it all, boys. She said, that ain't the same piece of chicken. She's like, they gave you a thigh nugget or something.
No, but that must be another part of it. Why did he get in the coffin?
I got weak, but I don't like that. Like, I don't like to think the things that I'm eating.
Really, I think the tenders are better. Please just chip me. But
Usually, it's like a certain flavor of the Chick-fil-A. Today, I taste like a hint of pepper or like Cajun. Don't you? Like a little.
let me taste it alone. I do.
They say they is altering the formula down there at that particular Chick-fil-A. They gonna get in trouble. They put a little oomph in it. Okay, now we ain't had farting and getting choked, y'all. Y'all gonna be okay. Where's these drinks y'all had? Get you some lemonade, bro.
Better like that.
No, no, I do. No, it was just funny because like as soon as I put it in my mouth, I said, I do.
Nah, Chick-fil-A fucked up now.
Fucked up.
That was a gooey piece of meat right there. I tried to bite that shit, almost broke my tooth.
It's raw. Oh, is it hot? Oh my goodness, y'all.
But if it was gooey.
Look at it.
Oh no, I'm glad I gave you that piece. Babe, babe, you better not.
I could even go.
Man, stop! Stop it now!
Claire. Oh, why did he think about it? Y'all know Claire got a weak stomach. Why you gonna give him a piece of raw chicken? And he just finished saying that he don't like to know about the origin of his food. And now you got him thinking about raw chicken and his stomach can't have it. He about to throw up in his car. And Lord knows he gonna have to get it clean. Is Claire okay? Let's see.
Stop!
All right.
Drink your lemonade. Eat your mac and cheese.
She went into full mama mode. She said, you better eat that lemonade and eat that mac and cheese so I get my belt.
That's one of the things about chickens. Chickens aren't consistent. Right? Like you might have one chicken like one day and then you go back to the same place and try to get that same chicken. And I don't know, that chicken is like from Arizona this time, and then before you had a Pennsylvania.
You got regional chickens. Oh, Claire. I mean, I would hope they would come from the same supplier, you know? I don't know. Maybe you know what I don't know. Maybe they swapping chickens. Like, you got a white swap. They got chicken swap. They like, hey, let me have 2 Arizonas, 1 from Michigan, and 1 from Mississippi. All right. And then we gonna fry this one with a little more pepper and put a little Louisiana one on the Louisiana chicken. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Maybe he ain't solved it all, child.
Pennsylvania chicken. And now it's like, but it's not consistent because they probably get their chicken from everywhere. You probably got John from Dallas that sells chicken.
Yo.
Why everybody keep getting choked? If y'all don't get that yummy lemonade or something, get you a sweet tea in your life or something, like y'all about to choke it down for no reason. Is Queen all right?
You don't know how John is raising these chickens.
From Dallas?
He said you don't know what John doing to these chickens. Why you gonna put Dallas on blast? We got a Dallas Petty fan. They don't mess with their chickens. Rude.
I'm done. That was 2 straight nuggets. I'm done.
Yeah, I don't know. Should we end this, babe?
Done. Haircut.
Y'all, we're gonna do a new Royal Family intro soon. I don't know what day, but I know we're gonna do a new one for y'all with the whole song. Okay, guys, that's about it. We're gonna end this video out, and maybe I'll tell y'all the secret I have later on. And be expecting a sit-down video from us soon. So, say bye, babe.
Peace out, y'all. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Bye.
And we see y'all next video.
We appreciate y'all. And we will see you next video. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. And watch our ads, please.